everyone. My name is John Dietrich. I'm the Rec and Power instructor. I'd like to take you around the program and show you some of the things that the students work on here. Rec and Power is a combination of a couple things. We work on recreational machines such as dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs. We also work on power equipment used for agriculture, outdoor power, equipment such as chainsaws, trimmers. So there's an array of things that you can learn how to work on. The employment opportunities range from manufacturing, sales, service. Some of the things that you learn here could help you in all of those sectors, whether you're manufacturing the equipment, such as the Harley-Davidson plant in York, Pennsylvania, whether you're selling the equipment at a number of dealers throughout the area, or whether you're servicing it at a dealership or at a private repair shop. So here we're working on a dirt bike. It's in for an engine rebuild. So this student is speccing out this engine, measuring the cylinder to see if it needs or can be rebuilt or if it has to be sent out to be bored. We're working on an old tractor here. There is a market for some of this vintage stuff. It's getting harder and harder to find these old tractors. They're actually worth quite a bit of money if they're fixed up and running and available. One of the students brought in this Banshee. It's part of the senior project. It's also here for an engine rebuild. We have various engines here that are also getting rebuilt. Generators. We have fabrication equipment. We have welding booths, welding tables, fabrication equipment. We have MIG welding, plasma cutting, TIG welding, stick welding. So you'll learn how to get at least the basics in welding and fabrication. Students enjoy this part of the program quite a bit. They get to fabricate things and put things together. It's fun. We work on pressure equipment. You'll learn how to work on hydraulics. You'll learn basic principles of hydraulics. We have sandblasting equipment. We'll do basic marine. We have all of the blade sharpening equipment, various types of blade sharpening equipment. And sometimes we do theory work, but not just in the classroom. Sometimes we bring the classroom out into the lab. So you'll see some of these stations here. So while I'll come out here and do a theory lesson out in the lab, I'll teach something while the students actually put wrenches to trainers. And so rather than sit in the classroom and actually use a textbook or paper or a laptop, we'll bring that stuff out here and integrate it while students are not just using the textbook and the laptop, but they'll actually be tearing an engine apart or a carburetor. So that's interesting and different from a lot of things that you might do at your home school. Over there we have a quarter midget that we're cutting apart. We're actually making it bigger and able to extend the pedals, and we're hoping to put a larger engine in it. Some of the opportunities from here, where do you go from here educationally? Some of the post-secondary education institutes are Motorcycle Mechanics Institute, Universal Technical Institute, Penn Tech. Penn Tech also offers degree programs. Some of them are certificate programs. Some of them offer associate degree programs. So you can further your education or you can go right into employment. It's really up to you, whatever you decide to do. Some students take what they learn here and apply it into the military, and they find their place in the military with the things that they learn here as well.
For more information about this program, please visit the program page at www.brookscareer.com.